How to log in to ClearScore account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your ClearScore account. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now, once you have done that, you may visit the ClearScore website at app.clearscore.com/login, or you may also open the ClearScore mobile application on your device. Here I have already downloaded the mobile application, so I'm going to open it. Once you open it, now in this page you'll be able to locate the login button at the very bottom. Simply tap on it and then you will be taken to a browser. There you will need to enter your email address and password in order to access your account. You may also need to complete any additional security checks to ensure only you have the access to your information. Also, if you can't remember your password, you'll also get to see the forgot password link or the option during the login process, from where you will be able to reset or recover your account by simply tapping on that. After that, ClearScore will send you an email with a link to reset your password. And now enter a new password and then log in to your account. Once after doing that, you will be able to access your account now. So by following these steps and guides, you will be able to easily log in to your ClearScore account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.